Hi, today we're going to be showing you how to edit your Tap2Tag profile. So the first thing to do, go to tap2tag.me. Once you've reached our website, make sure that you log into your account. Now that you've logged in, you'll see your dashboard. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you will see a list of options to choose from, and there's a subsection called Profiles. We want to edit a medical profile today, so click on Medical. Here you'll find a list of all your current medical profiles. We want to edit Tom's medical profile, so we click on Edit. This will take you through to Tom's profile setup step by step. You can change, remove, or add information as you wish. So I'm going to change the doctor's name. We simply remove and change the doctor's name here. We can also change who can view this information. Make sure you read and accept the terms and conditions, as well as save any information you may have changed at the end of your profile. It will show you how your profile will look with this new setup. We can now see the doctor's name has now been changed, and this information will now only appear to Tap2Tag users who are signed in. Once you are happy with your changes, you can now confirm your profile. And that's it. Saving the profile means that all the devices now linked to this profile have been updated.